Good evening and welcome to NYNJPA Weather, your weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. Well, here we have the water vapor satellite picture, my favorite satellite picture, and we have a few interesting features out there in the United States and over the Northern Hemisphere. First, to the lower right-hand corner, that is subtropical depression 17, which is slowly becoming a little bit more tropical in nature and will likely become a tropical storm for a short period of time. This disturbance has no threat whatsoever on the East Coast and will move into the Central Atlantic. Could influence the negative NAO pattern I'm expecting to develop over the next several days and weeks ahead. But otherwise, I don't expect any direct impact on the East Coast whatsoever. And the reason why is because the upper level low that has been impacting our location for quite some time is going to start to move to the east. And you can see that there's a lingering trough down into the Caribbean, and because of that trough, it's going to kick this disturbance to the northeast via a southwesterly steering current, so there's no threat there. We can also see a powerful polar jet stream starting to develop. It's moving over the northern plains and diving towards the Great Lakes. Let's zoom in a little bit closer to get a better look at what this polar jet stream is doing to our pattern. As you can see, there is a strong disturbance over the western and central Great Lakes. Now, this disturbance is basically going to act like a soccer player. What I mean is that our upper level low that has produced scattered showers and unsettled conditions for the past several days is like a soccer ball, and it's sitting over Pennsylvania. The strong disturbance moving through the Great Lakes, well, that's the foot of our soccer player. And that foot is going to kick this disturbance right into the Atlantic, and we're going to have a goal. Because finally, we're going to have clear skies and very comfortable conditions once again for this coming weekend. So what we can expect going forward for the next several days is basically for tonight, this disturbance is going to lift northeast. We'll have a few lingering showers, could be a slight impact for the Phillies game more towards the end of the game, but I really don't expect much in the way of showers. Still, watch out for an isolated shower here or there, and because of the unstable nature of the atmosphere aloft, some of those showers could be rather heavy for a very brief period of time. Once that disturbance kicks out by tomorrow, surface high pressure takes hold, and in reality, we have an upper level high pressure system that's going to start to develop throughout much of the East Coast, starting tomorrow and continuing on through this weekend. So expect, along with the dry and conditions and clear skies, temperatures rebounding into the 70s. So it's going to feel like wonderful outside. Perfect if you have, let's say you're going to a Yankee game, playoff game, Saturday or Sunday. It's going to be perfect outside, so enjoy yourself if you can afford the tickets. But unfortunately, this pattern is not going to last too long. It's going to continue on to early next week, and then I am expecting another strong cold front to move through and knock down the temperatures significantly. So keep an eye out for that. Thank you for using NYNJPA Weather as your weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. Have a wonderful evening and stay safe out there.